off of this 1997 Mercedes SL320. It's an R129 Series. It's finished in white with Orion grey upholstery. 40,000 miles from new. We've known the car for 12-13 years. We've looked after the car. It's the most beautiful condition you're ever going to hope for in one of these cars. As we look down the car, you'll see the paintwork gleaming. There are no dents, no scratches, no corrosion. It sits on the correct 8-hole alloy wheels with a recent set of tyres. The spare has never been on the car. It's got the white hardtop with the car with a grey headlining, which is in superb condition as is the rest of the car. The soft top's fabulous. We'll put that up for you in a few moments. The car's running, so you can just hear how nice it ticks over. As we look down the car, again, no marks. You'll see the paintwork gleaming as we walk down the car. Upholstery's in lovely condition. We'll show you more of that in a moment. Car's got mud flaps on it. This car hasn't been restored, it's just been very, very nicely looked after. So the windbreak behind the cover there, we've got a CD changer there. Underneath there, I won't take the carpets up, but the spare wheel and tools are all there. Warning triangle. And again, the detail, as you look around the shuts and everything, it really is as nice as you'll get. So there we'll see the mileage, 40,594. We've got the wood trim, climate control, the CD, radio cassette CD changer there. We've got heated seats, just 2 seats on this one. And we've got grey electric, the operated front seats. Floor mats and carpets under the carpets here, as near new as you would imagine. Again, for those who like detail and originality. Lovely colour combination. Okay, we'll just pop the soft top up for you. The hard top, we have taken some photos of it. I'm not going to faff around putting it on now, but we have got photos with it on. Okay, so that's just finishing its cycle now, and the windows are just popping themselves up as they should do. So that's the soft top on. Car's recently had a massive service with all the fluids changed, brake fluid, transmission oil filter. So that's with the soft top on. I'll take you under the bonnet now to show you under the bonnet. Oh yeah, alright.
Yeah, did you need a bird in the video?
Yeah, I could do over the bonnet. Okay, under the bonnet. It's recently had a new Mercedes under bonnet pad because they crumble. So if you look there, No corrosion anywhere. Headlamp wash white. Ticking over quite nicely. Being a white car obviously shows a multitude of sins. There are no sins on this car. If you look down the inner wings here and the chassis rails, behind the ABS pump, across the landing panel, and onto the driver's side. Again, I don't know, you can just see behind the washer bottle. And again, just to the down there, the steering pump. So that's just how nice this car is. If you are interested, please give us a call. We're on the website to have a look at the photos in this video. Telephone number is 01507 606 725.